this video we are unboxing the 5K Ultra HD handheld camcorder. It has Wi-Fi capabilities and 3-inch screen, and I believe the model is AC09D. Let's see what it looks like inside. So there are some instructions over here. It says please format the memory card before using the camera for the first time, and please charge the camera before using. Okay, if you encounter any problems and any questions about the products, please feel free to contact us. So the first thing we have on the top of the box is the manual. It's a detailed manual in all the languages, I believe. So we have the manual, and we have a Wi-Fi guide over here. Scan the QR code to install the app. And this camera can be connected to the mobile phone with the Syncer app. So scan this QR code to install the app from Google Play Store or the App Store on iPhone. Download this app and then connect the camcorder with your phone. Let's see. Okay. So this is where we put on the lens. It says over here DV3772 hood. This is the hood that we put on the lens, on the front lens. Okay, it comes with a remote control, and it has record, Wi-Fi, mode, menu, play, take a screenshot. So you have to pull this out to use. The battery is disconnected right now. This is a qualified certificate, I think. I don't know if this is a warranty. Here we have a Type-C cable. Okay. And this is for the stand, for the tripod. This is the mic. It comes with a battery. This is the mic, and we have to connect this into the camera and put this on top of the camera. Inside the mic's bag we have I believe 1.5 volt AAA battery, and it comes with its own manual. Next we have, let's see, a cable over here. This is HDMI. This is HDMI, and this goes into the camera if we want to connect the camera with the screen. This is the tripod. As you can see, it's comes with so many accessories. I think this is the gimbal, the crane, where we can hold the camera. Let's see how this opens. Okay, there we go. So we can hold the camera like this. So there are so many accessories, and we have to look at the manual how to install everything. Okay, this is for the holder, the camcorder holder. It has its own manual. What do we have here? Looks like a charger. Oh, those are the batteries. So one of the amazing things about this camcorder is that it comes with two sets, with two batteries. This is a lithium-ion battery. So if one charge finishes, then you can use the other one. As we have seen on the first instruction on the backs, we have to charge both batteries before we use this for the first time. And last but not least, this is the camcorder. It comes with its own small bag. And I really like the packaging. It comes neatly, and all accessories come with their own manual. So this is the 5K camcorder. It has this holder where you can put your arm. The battery connects over here, and this is the lens. So this is where you connect the microphone with what we saw earlier, and this is the mode camera over here. I believe this is zoom in, zoom out. So the screen is over here. It says 3-inch screen. We have all those menus over here, up and down. This is enter, power, LED, playback. If you want to playback whatever you recorded, you press this one, the menu. And I think here is, okay, this is where the HDMI, the cable that we saw earlier, comes in. This is where the speaker comes in. So the speaker is gonna connect over here. I mean the microphone. And this cable connects over here. And also the power cable. The power cable connects over here. Not the power, actually, the Type-C cable connects over here, so that you can connect to your laptop with USB. So the battery connects over here. So I believe this is where we connect the holder, like this, so that you can hold the camera like this when you record. I think this is where the microphone goes. I have to look at the manual. So basically those are the main accessories of the camera: mic, the two batteries. This is for the stand or for the tripod. We have all the cables, the mic, and we have the what do they call this, the hood for the lens. we can put it here. So this looks like an amazing device, affordable, 5K resolution,